Hi, I am Diana and I'm a PhD student in the University of California in Riverside. I was able to participate in the program during the summer of 2025, and then in this one I participate in the development of and assessment of a climate justice program for the middle school youth. In this one I was able to support the curricula development and also some materials for training for the people who were in charge to deliver these materials to the youth. So it was an experience that really meant a lot to me. I got to work on climate change topics that are actually part of my studies as a PhD student. And I understand now that the science behind climate change is so important and everybody should understand it, so we can actually see what is at stake and what we can do to help. And this is something that should be delivered in a easier way, and that's why explaining these like complicated ideas or science ideas in this simple way made me realize how crucial this work is for raising awareness in different populations. Also, I wasn't that familiar with climate justice before this, but by working with these concepts, it opened my eyes to the real challenges and the unfairness caused by climate change for different groups, like more vulnerable groups. And it showed me also how community groups and speaking up are so vital to really express this unfairness. Also, reading stories about how brave people fighting for justice was truly inspiring for me. On the other side, I didn't have that much experience in education, so spending the summer learning about this part of education helped me to see how much effort teachers put into share knowledge and to deliver this knowledge in a way that kids can understand and then can practice. And it's really a tough work because it takes a lot of creativity to turn ideas into games and activities that actually can teach something to the kids. And honestly, I feel really lucky to have been part of this team because I work alongside with really smart and dedicated people who really know what they're talking about in this. And this experience helped me to develop some skills that will be useful in my future career, and I really enjoy every moment of this work. I just want to thank this program for the opportunity for me to have this experience in something different, and then something that can really help me in the future. Thank you.